Hi, Deufol. Does my equipment need to be boxed, or can it just be skidded, and why?
When determining whether equipment can be skidded or should it be fully boxed, the first thing you need to do is find out what your buyer um, requires. They may require all the equipment to be boxed. If there's no requirement, then assuming the equipment can be loaded into an ocean container, skidding should be fine. The only thing to keep in mind with that is um, the inside of an ocean container, depending on what environment it's shipping in, will condensate inside the container. And so it basically rains inside a container. So you probably want to shrink wrap the equipment if you're just skidding it to protect it from the salt corrosion. There's several different methods or kinds of shrink wrap you can use. We typically use a VCI shrink film, which is a volatile corrosion inhibitor that emits a vapor to protect the equipment from corroding. Another consideration would be the cubic footage inside a container. The main cost in shipping to your customer will be the actual transport. So there's a lot of cube that you could potentially be paying for that you're not using if the equipment's low profile. So what we do normally is, if we're skidding equipment or boxing equipment that's being container loaded and it's low profile, is we'll box the equipment that would be loaded into the base of the container, and then other equipment can be skidded and loaded on top of the boxed equipment. But if the equipment's big enough to use the majority of the cube and it will fit in an ocean container, then I would suggest you shrink wrap the equipment and container load it.